During its time in the dark, the potato had undergone eliolation. It had grown a white stem out of an auxiliary bud in order to reach more light in its dark conditions. It seemed to display positive phototropism as the stem grew in the direction of the nearest source of light, a behavior it probably would have shown when actually underground when the sprouts came out. The potato also seemed to become harder and drier than it was before its time in darkness, which is probably because it had no roots to absorb water and it lost some in the process of growing the shoots. After the potato was taken out of darkness and given exposure to light, it immediately went through de-etiolation, entering a rapid greening phase as chlorophyll was developed from the phytochrome pigments which were exposed to light. Within the first week or so, the originally white stem had become almost completely green and developed a few purplish-brown patches on it. During the following weeks, the stem showed little growth and the potato started becoming softer and developed a few green spots as the potato skin itself started developing chlorophyll in response to exposure to light. In addition, many of the eyes of the potato started to develop sprouts that were already green. The exposure to light probably caused the potato to grow more sprouts and take in more light, but to a lesser extent than the white one in etiolation. Because the new sprouts already had an ample source of light, they did not need to grow as much and could focus more on growing leaves, which would absorb even more light with their large surface areas. The new green sprouts continued to grow and develop for the remainder of the experiment, and like the white stem that grew in the etiolation phase, displayed positive phototropism by growing towards the nearest light sources, which were sunlight from the window and light from my lamp. Given more time, the new green sprouts might have developed leaves, but with no nutrients it would have gotten from soil when underground, it probably would have lacked energy to do so. This concludes my etiolation and de-etiolation video. Thanks for watching.